Tucked away in the hills of Carroll County, this is 8.6 acres of true Virginia countryside living, with land, water, and multiple usable structures already in place. As you arrive, the property sits in a quiet rural setting, just over the Floyd County line. The location gives you the best of both worlds, peaceful country surroundings while still being only minutes from Floyd and Hillsville. The land itself offers a mix of open space and natural terrain, giving you flexibility for farming, recreation, or simply enjoying wide-open privacy. It's the kind of acreage that feels usable, while still maintaining a strong sense of seclusion. One of the standout features of this property is the spring-fed pond with a reservoir system. It adds a natural focal point to the land and brings water, wildlife, and a peaceful atmosphere right to your property. The main house offers a functional rural layout with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, designed for comfortable country living. A large screened-in porch extends the living space outdoors, giving you a place to relax and enjoy the surrounding views in any season. The property has seen important updates, including a roof that is approximately 5 years old and a well pump that is only a few years old, adding value and stability to the structure. Outside, the property is fully equipped with multiple outbuildings that increase its functionality. There is a 2-car carport for covered parking, a large block workshop with electricity for projects or equipment, and a separate 16 by 20 garage, also powered for storage or work use. These additional structures make the property highly practical for rural living, hobby use, or small-scale operations. With 8.6 acres of land, a spring-fed pond, multiple buildings, and a solid country home, this property delivers a complete rural setup. It's located in Carroll County, with easy access to Floyd and Hillsville, making it both private and convenient for everyday needs. This is Virginia country living, with land, water, and workspace already in place, ready for its next owner to bring it all together.